Got a lot of cars. Holy shit. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I went ahead and took a minute and lined up all the Comanches for us. I'm going to do a little update video and show you where I'm at and what I got going on. So anyway, here's the line of Comanches. There's Pine Tree. There's the race truck. Washed her today, took her for a drive for parts. There's the parts Comanche. My canopy for Pine Tree. And then the two-door. Two-door's out there somewhere. So, we'll find the two-door later. Anyway. So what in the flying fuck are we doing here? Pissing the wife off. So we gotta get rid of this fucking piece of shit because it's in the way. I got rid of a Bronco that was sitting here, and I told the wife I was gonna have the space open, and then I bought another Comanche 2 days later. So we gotta get this thing cut up. So the red Comanche has always had gray seat belts since I got it, and I never did find black seat belts for it. It's also had Cherokee visors that were stained and dyed black by the previous owner who did the headliner. So I always kind of wanted to address that, but I never did find black stuff for it. And then lo and behold, in my parts Cherokee, or my parts Comanche, I've got black vinyl Comanche visors. And I have the black center clip. And I also have black seat belts. So we're going to take those out, put those in the red Comanche. The headliner is going to need recovered, but little old Mr. Pine Tree over here, she got cab lights for the Gambler, but she got no headliner. Fucking guys, man. These fucking guys. Anyway. So what the fuck? So yeah, the headliner. So the headliner's going to go on one Pine Tree. And then we're going to... What the fuck else do we want out of this thing? I don't know. So we'll take the seats out, the buckets, the dash pieces, visors, all the plastics, the grab handles, all that stupid shit. We still got some rock crawler shocks down here. We still got some Gambler exhaust and some AC delete stuff. And oh hey, my missing tool bag that I needed last weekend camping. Oh, so we gotta take this thing, take all the shit off of the outside of it. So we'll take the doors off, we'll take the fenders off, get rid of this hood, it's already unbolted, take the cowl, take the guts out of underneath there, pull the engine wiring. I don't know. The FCM's all messed up from being wenched on. There's nothing really left in the engine compartment that I really want, so maybe just some wiring, and I'll shit can the rest of that. So how's this gonna work? We're gonna cut and keep as much of this roof as we can. I had another guy that did a build that commented on a Facebook group and showed me some actual pictures that I got screenshotted, but this Comanche roof crown is different. I guess it's easier to show here. This crown right here is different than what the Cherokee crown is. So a lot of guys had to hand dolly this corner to remake this corner of the cab, so he told me to make sure I leave a good section of that Cherokee so I can go ahead and do that. So I really appreciate you posting up and commenting about that. That saved me a bunch of time because I would have found out about that one way or the other anyway. Don't hit nothing. Pine tree's running around. Smells like gas. Still alive. Fuck it. So I got the spare axle. This was out of a parts rig. I've got this one, and I think it's another 355 front. It's garbage. I just need the shafts off of it. This one's still good, but it's a 307, so I'll probably sell it. That's a 307 rear that I'll use. Maybe I'll probably just re-gear that one for the crew cab build, for the club cab build. Oh. Doing projects like this, you gotta go in all in, man. I fucking for sure went in all in. So I've got 6 Jeeps on the property. Holy shit, 6 Jeeps on the property. Yeah, I got 6 Jeeps. Engine compartment is done in this one. So I just got to finish up the knickknacks. The stuff out of the blue one that I said I needed. Then I also need to fix the heater control lights. Those don't work. I need to put the cabin lights in up here. Those were broke. This handle right here. Where's it at? Yeah, stupid camera focus. This handle right here, I need to get it installed. I have it. Most of the stuff I'm missing for the red Manchi up here in the glove box. So we'll get that buttoned up. The rest of the stuff taken out of the blue one. Fenders, doors, trim pieces, windshield trim, interior wiring, seats, steering column possibly, under dash wiring possibly, all the interior plastics, so that's all come out. And then we'll cut the front end off, get rid of that. So then, what's the plan? The next plan, the next step. Drop back down and punt. No, what are we gonna do? Okay, so I'll run you the client rig. So this Porsche, we're gonna paint it and get it out of the way. It's a full paint job. This thing, 68 convertible rally sport for client, friend, family member, whatever you want to call. That one's gonna get disc brakes in the front, disc brake conversion. Transmission's leaking. It has a new transmission in it. Runnability issues. It hasn't been on the road for 10 years, and she's had it since she was 20, and she wants to drive her car again. So we're gonna fix that up and get it done. Those are the Morgan panels. We're almost done touching up 80 bitty titty bitties spots on those. So there was about 10 of them, and I'm down to 2. I'm gonna save them. It's gonna be fine. It's a pain in the fucking ass, and it takes forever. So that's good. Okay, so all that, and then I'll have my shop back. No, not gonna happen. So then we're gonna take Pine Tree. Pine Tree's pretty much gonna stay like she is until we break something. Me and the wife are just gonna go fucking smash on her until something happens, and then we'll park her. The red Comanche, we're gonna get that shit finished up. I gotta get a buff job put on it, and then she's going to market. Think I'm about putting her on eBay. I gave Bring a Trailer a shot, and it didn't work out. And I think I've got it ready for that market again, but I also feel like that market's not ready for this build. So I think eBay's the way to go on that one. It'll probably be up in the next week, maybe 2, just depending on how much of this shit I can handle, tackle, take care of, die on, whatever. So yeah, the red one will get listed, and then I won't have anything else to do to it. It's got a new head gasket, engine compartment's all clean. You guys check out my other video. It's all done. So red one will go. Pine Tree's pretty much staying like it is. The blue one will get cut up. Hopefully in the next month, all of that will take place, and we'll be ready to take and chop on that 2-door. The last thing I want to do is cut on the 2-door, because the 2-door is a complete rig. It's fully titled, it's insured. I can put my wife and my kids in it, and they can go and have fun, go to the grocery store if they need to. She's got a rig, we don't need it, but I don't want to cut up a good rig until I'm ready to start actually doing this project. I don't mind cutting up a parts rig. That 2-door, something else. So anyway, that's where we're gonna go, guys. I still got all the parts here. I still got, let's see if I can show you. I'm gonna squeeze through my maze of shit. Another hood. Anyway, just wanted to give you guys a little project update. I'm working my buns off, and I'm not going to abandon this project. So give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down, give me a fuck off, hit the sub button. I don't know, fucking do shit. I'm going to go back to work. I appreciate you guys. Talk to you soon. Take care.